Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got myself my spinner on my table here with a 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. I'm going to give a bloom another try. Haven't done the course, so I'm totally just winging it. So it's, I guess you would call it a modified bloom because you never know what's going to happen, right? Now this is an exciting video tonight because I'm going to be announcing the winners from the collaboration that we did with 6 wonderful artists, 5 artists plus myself, artists around the globe. We've got 6 split cups up for grabs. So as soon as I'm done this video, Greg will put on a neat little introduction for all the winners and tell you how to get a hold of me so we can ship these cups out for you once we've printed them up on our 3D printer. All right. I'm going to do this quickly. I'm going to get Greg to put some music on. All the colors are going to be this little piggy pigments. He'll put a picture up for some of the colors that I'm using. And let's get to it. Hit subscribe, everyone. Thanks very much.
There's something that won't let me forget. The way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. Were you like perfume? You like perfume? We were like no other. 2 hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Played me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know you see me cross the room. Let's skip to the end. I wanna be what keeps you sleepless past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under. It looks good, kill. Let's go back to where it all began and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard 'cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, you would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken.